Like I said, it comes with a little bag. It comes with your stuff, you know. Comes with the sockets, the charger, and one lithium 3-hour battery. It's a good product. Hey everybody. I want to introduce you to myself. I am Rich Life of Road Trips. I do videos on YouTube. I used to have a channel with 5 million people that watch my channel. Until people started hating on me and went after my channel, went after my life. And this is a review on this fantastic drill, well, impact wrench. Don't really know how to say the name too much. It's SEYVUM. But it's a very good product. I want to say I watched a lot of people buy these, and I decided to get one for myself. This is the unboxing. It is 20 volts max, cordless impact wrench. It has a very good torque. Very good torque. Speed. It has powerful motor. Very good. You know, for the money. You can get it for $59 on Amazon. Of course, this one, you know, somebody gave me some money and I ended up getting this one for myself. It comes with a really nice little baggie. Comes with a real nice little baggie for your impact wrench. Pretty nice. And it is brushless. Comes with one O-ring. Now, a lot of people don't know where the O-ring goes. I'm here to show you. Hold on. The O-ring goes around this here. Around this piece here. Yeah, the O-ring goes around there. And I reckon the reason why they want to do that is because it's, you know, it's whatever, but it does come with a 3-hour battery. 3-hour battery. And this little thing is powerful, really powerful. It has forward, reversible, and then in the middle you can click it and it cuts off. It does have a feature so you don't have to spin your lug nut all the way off. Yeah, it has a feature. You don't have to spin your lug nut all the way off. It does come with your own sockets. And it comes with all the standard sockets that you would need to take your lug nuts off. Yeah. Which is 4 different sockets. This comes with a charger, the charger, and the battery. And it does come pre-charged. Yeah, it comes pre-charged. You do not have to charge it up. It comes charged right out of the box. So, I'm gonna demonstrate it. Yeah, I'm gonna demonstrate it on my Uplander. And we'll see we'll see what it does. Like I said, it comes with a little bag. It comes with your stuff, you know. It comes with the sockets, the charger, and one lithium 3-hour battery. It's a good product.